ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Menteri Rang Bajong Kejelna Conrad Sangma ula kentaj war halor ka jingken no ba udan Bynta ka Jied ya ukin lajong Rakesh Sangma pan shimti como Chief Executive Member Bathamai hapo ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Habaya kren bat kila pathai khubor Conrad Sangma ulaong bakini ki jingkdo kti persya ayu kilong ki bemdan nongrim satya hae ru. Namar baka parti kala IT baik ha ki MDC bakin Jied yo ubreu ubaki ibit ban shimti como Chief Executive Member Bathamai jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council.
In the district council, the state government, and especially from my side, we try to stay away from the internal matters because it is an autonomous body. The issues that came up within the council were issues that mattered to the district council members, and because of the internal issues that were there, we had a meeting and they had expressed that they would like to change the leadership. Based on that, I left the decision to them on who should be leading, because I told them that if I select, then if some other problem comes up, then you will come back to me saying that, you know, the person you had selected has created problems. So I said, let the selection of the CEM be a democratic process. So we left the decision making to the MDCs to decide who should lead them, and based on that, they themselves came with a consensus name of the chairperson, then Mr. Rakesh Sangma, and based on that, they went ahead with it. So there was no question of any interference from my side. I have only facilitated the entire process by being the president of the party, and that was my only role to play in that. But obviously now as a government, we would like to see that the GHDC also streamlines its working, and like we have supported the GHDC in the past to pay salaries and other areas that were there. We'll continue to support this EC also in every way that's possible, so that the financials of the district council can be streamlined. No, there are many issues. Again, I'm not in a position to speak on their behalf, so you can ask them when you meet them. But there were many issues in regards to the style of functioning, and in regards to also the overall financial issues that were there in the council. The fact that there was some funds that were diverted, from Tide Fund, it was diverted for other purposes. So these kind of things led to a bit of concerns among them. But as I said, more details, it'll be better if the MDCs are able to give. As I said, I played my role only as the president of the party to ensure that the NPP was stable. But rest of the decisions were made by the MDCs themselves.